YouTube. What's good, YouTube gang? You see what I deal with today, no man. We're there with none of that, Mr. Ayetian. Mr. Ayetian himself. You see me, I say he's the Jamaican born Haitian that got bust in Trinidad. You don't know they're Haitian, one of them tip. I go check it out and see that I got deal with. You see me, I say, I don't know Haitian as I represent for the girl them and look like from the title I like him and represent again for the girl them again. But you can't go wrong with that. You see me, I say, so I check it out and see that I got deal with. But before we even jump in the chat, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. You should know the code over here already by now. Help me hold up my stress by hitting the like and subscribe button. The like is for me, not for the artist and not for the tune. So if you don't like the artist or the tune, but you see me, I read the chat, hit the like and subscribe button, man. Hit the like button. You see me, I say, but they are the Haitian, the one of them tip. I check it out and see where that got deal with. Haitian right now, Haitian have the place. You have a little buzz. Everybody is looking into him right now, especially the ladies. Dog have a little raw, edgy, upbeat, darkish, brawling style that the ladies love. You see me, I say? Yeah, so I check it out and see where that got deal with. We're not even going to vibe much longer. Let's get it. Haitian tip, let's get it.
Girl, I wine for the tip of the cocky, so me shift for the baggy. From a pillar, she poppy, she name a piece of the malice. She get a pussy, the malice, so me dip in a cash. She want to dip in a pocket, she want the tip.
Oh, already the dog has a girl, I wine for the tip of the cocky, she really beat on the jungle. Boy, that's why.
Girl, I wine for the tip of the cocky, so me shift for the baggy. From a pillar, she poppy, she name a piece of the malice. She get a pussy, the malice, so me dip in a cash. She want to dip in a pocket, she want the tip.
Oh, this look like he finna go crazy on this shit. Mama run for the money. Run, girl. You say money make girl, boy. Run it down.
Oh my god, this music.
Hold on, where this beat from? This is from a beat, a very iconic fucking hip hop beat. They sampled this shit. This sounds so familiar.
So
Bumbo class.
Listen, mama.
Up on the tip, where she there?
Up on the tip, where she there? Up on the tip, where she there? Well.
Yo, nuts! Weird. Girl, I wine for the tip of the cocky, so me shift for the baggy. From a pillar, she poppy, she name a piece of the malice. She get a pussy, the malice, so me dip in a cash. She want to dip in a pocket, she want the tip. I know the tip, but she work for. Cock kick in her belly, must be curler.
I like this video. I like this video. Hey, come on, hold on. Go on, so sharp. Yes.
Oh my god, this music so
yes.
Bumbo class. Up on the tip, where
Mama party, go on.
she there? Yo, nuts! Weird. Girl, I wine for the tip of the cocky, so me shift for the baggy. From a pillar, she poppy, she name a piece of the malice. She get a pussy, the malice, so me
Mama knock on the front, bum lad.
piece of the malice, she get a pussy, the
Yes, man, like. Knock on it like when my bum buckle come in for an hands and left my me key.
yeah, from a pillar, she poppy, she name a piece of the malice. She get a pussy, the
Yes, mama, knock it, man, blood.
wine for the tip of the cocky, so me shift for the baggy. From a pillar, she poppy, she name a piece of the
Hey.
malice. She get
Yes, man, knock on it, blood. Kill mama, go on, Joe. Like, if you get the key, go on.
a pussy, the malice, so me dip in a cash. She want to dip in a pocket, she want the tip. I know the tip, but she work for. Cock kick in her belly, must be curler. 2 leg, but she suck on the 3rd one. No use pain for your face, must be beja.
2 leg, but she suck on the 3rd one. No use pain by your face, must be bird. What choke? Oh, Lord. That's beautiful.
She want to dip in a pocket, she want the tip. I know the tip, but she work for. Cock kick in her belly, must be curler. 2 leg, but she suck on the 3rd one. No use pain for your face, must be beja. Up on the tip, but she there. The pussy when breeze touch your breast. Education free, enough to pay for the heads. On the floor, we are doing, I don't care if
Man say education free now if you pay for the heads. That's rich. It's the best healthiation, I agree. I support that movement.
up on the tip, what she there? The pussy when breeze touch your breast. Education free, enough to pay for the heads. On the floor, we are doing, I don't care if he bed. Nah, no care for floor. If your pussy clean, me pay for it more. If you dirty, me pay for your throat. Use money and play with your tongue. Girl, I wine for the the tip of the cocky, so me shift with the back here from my pillar. She pop she never piss at the molly. She get a pussy the molly. So me dip in a catch, she want to dip in a pocket. She want it. She now wash off her face paint, but me dog a.
Oh, man, like, yeah, this man, funny girl, funny. Follow instruction, go on.
Fine pon the tip of the cocky, so me shift with the back here from my pillar. She pop she never piss at the molly. She get a pussy the molly. So me dip in a catch, she want to dip in a pocket. She want it. She now wash off her face paint, but me dog a go for car the same way. Your pussy fat, me want know how this face stay. Yeah, the tip because she not fi maintain. Wait, me a genius for real. Beat up the beat, me no weak. Eat up your greens when you twist. The keen is a skill. Mine a stay.
I'll say, me never mean to stop right there, so I did not. I did not plan to stop right there. You do not yellow me never plan to stop right there, so but what a wonderful view. She's talented. Very talented.
Just real, beat up the beat, me no weak. Eat up your greens when you twist. The keen is a skill. Mine a stay, up me jeans, ease up your chin. Girl, stick beside of me. Vagina please, girl go to the pipe, to make the pipe leak. You make the size, so if it's in a girl go breathe out. Me no got the time, so go find a beg go sleep. Girl I wine pa the tip of the cocky, so me shift with the baggy from a pillar. She pop she never piece of the molly. She get a pussy the molly. So me dip in a cash, she want fi dip in a pocket. She want the tip. I know the tip, but she work for. Cock kicking her belly, must curl her. 2 leg, but she so pa the 3rd one. No use paint for your face, must be beige. Pan the tip, pan the tip, body thick. Blood clot in my lip. Yeah, what? Bumbo clot, better wait.
Yes, man. Yeah. Tune blood clot, man. Go on, tune.
Third I don't kill them. What are the rhythm still a go on? Pony tip. Girl go on, pony. Blood clot, done me done it. This name Trini Pack.
Trini Pack.
Yes, man. Tip. Oh, to the one, let's eat. I'm not talking. I got a restaurant and yam food and give waiter. No, we are talking about the tip. Yes, man, focus. Yes, man, gang, Ayetian. That one name tip. That one for the ladies tip. I know the ladies gonna love that one, gang. Yeah, man, a vibes tune, man. A mad man. Yeah, man, playlist tune. But you gotta get that to your gallus playlist, man. You see what I say? They tune them for the ladies, man. You know, and give them something with like energy. Like an upbeat thing, yes, man. That's what you put you for, man. You know, like a vibe, keep my party, yeah, and man, the girl go crazy. You play that. Shout out to Ayetian. Ayetian definitely in his bag, man. You know how to make the tune them with the girl, man. Here, that upbeat, make girl them get up and move and sitting. Now I got a buzz, man, and that got some mad lyrics and them thing. Them come with a different edgy style. You see me? A lot of edgy artists. You got the Ayetian, you got the Eddie G Bama. Would I say, you don't know, who else would I say? New. Escape. Who else? What's new that you'd be like, yo, yeah. Ayetian is definitely one of them that's out there. Eddie G is one of them that's out there. Jamal is also gangster and edgy. But you don't know what I'm trying to say. You don't know, yeah. See a lot of more artists popping out and I'm liking it. You see me I say, gang? Yeah, shout out to Ayetian on the tip. If you like it, if you could show that to some of us who are making us dancing, you know. Let me know what your favorite part was, beat, lyrics, melody, all that good stuff. Drop your request so you can get your shout out. Yeah. And we going live, gang. Like I said, I'm getting live, going live more frequent. I need to get my streamer bag, man. I need to get in streamer mode, get my streamer bag, and get shit popping, bro. I need to stop playing, gang. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, gang. But to get popping in the streamer mode, get back in my bag. Stay tuned. I'm gonna definitely schedule the live, so you're gonna see them when it's about to happen. But yeah, till next time, gang. You don't know it's boy Jambisco. Hit the like and subscribe button. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.